Eating that without drinking.
They've caned that down there, haven't they? Really wolfed it. It's quite a lot there.
There's not very many calories in it though.
No. Well, it's good because it's not got the protein, so
Yes, it's just.
they have too much protein, their wings go funny.
It's vitamins.
Yeah, it's good
That's
stuff.
all.
Is he going to get that bit of carrot down, do you think? Babs, go on!
Did she get it down?
Yeah. I was reading on Today, and apparently they'll follow you around just to see what you're doing. To see if it involves broccoli or peas, I suppose.
Probably. It's almost too much food.
It's like a drill.
Do you know what? I've just watched a little bit of carrot. The littlest one tries to swallow it, spat it out, can't swallow that. And then the Flash picks it up, no, spat it out, can't get that.
Did Babs
and then
get
Barbara went, straight down.
Yeah,
She's just
no
that
surprise.
She's just that little bit bigger.
Yeah. Their bills just like oscillate, don't they? Those are the thick bits they're really struggling with, isn't it? Yeah, that's too big for them, I think.
No, they can't eat it.
No.
I don't know, they've done quite well.
They've done really well. The Babs. Come on, Barbara. You love Barbara, don't you?
She's so cute. I love her.
Flash, because he's clueless.
Well, I like all three of them.
I do, I love all three of them, yeah. The little one's getting big. I'm pleased about that because I was a little bit worried that he might, he's a boy, I'm sure it's a boy.
Yeah,
But he wasn't going to grow, you know.
Oh, that's right.
Well, stuff happens, but...
I think he misses out because the other two are bigger.
Yeah.
He gets pushed out of the way.
Yeah.
So I think he'll always be a runt because he just is always at the back of the
Yeah, I
queue.
agree.
He started off small and late, and he'll always be on the back foot.
Yeah.
Not unless we take him out beforehand
Not
and give
gonna happen
him
though,
food
is it?
specifically.
No, I think just let nature take its course. He'll be fine because he's looked after. There's no danger of him starving to death, is there?
No. But in Ronnie Real World, he'd have died.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. When I picked him out as a chick, he was not the smallest, but he was way small. There was two in the woman's hand, and sort of like that one and that one, because the markings, and he was the smallest by a way. He was cute. I couldn't say no. We love an underdog, don't
But
we?
what did she say about him?
Oh, nothing. She said no, they're all fine. They'll all be good. There were none in there that she thought were going to fail. I made a point of saying, are they healthy? You know, is the success rate? She went, no, they're all good. Hey, fellas. Right, I'm going to stop this video. Hey, Flash. Where you going? Don't pick the plugs, mate. It's called you Sparky. They're off. Yeah, they go.
Yeah, because they can't eat anymore.
Right. Hi,
I've
ducks.
got my shoes now.
They've got the energy rush now, haven't they? They're going, oh, yeah, I'm full of it. Yeah, brilliant. Let's go to a club. No, you're ducks.